Hello everyone. In this video, I am gonna guide you through the complete process of ZACA coin masternode setup on Ubuntu VPS. Beginning from the purchasing of VPS to successfully running your masternode and checking the running masternode status on your VPS. So now, first we create an account on Vultr, which is a VPS provider, with a link given in the description as well as in the PDF guide. So here's our link. Copy this link, open Google Chrome and paste here. Just click on create account and create your account like this. As I have already created the account, I will log in. Now in this servers, we will click on this deploy new server plus button to make a new server. Choose your server location which is nearby your country. In the server type, select Ubuntu 16.04x64. In server size, you just select 25 GB SSD, $5 per month, 1 CPU, 1024 memory bandwidth and 1000 GB bandwidth. Just select this. There is no need of checking this. Now enter a hostname or level. This may be custom as per your requirement. I will name it as 4 as this is the fourth node. Now click on deploy. Now here is our server is installing. Till then we will make some more setup requisites. Create a text folder on desktop with any name which will contain our username, password and IP address of the VPS server. Let it install. So here we got the IP address of the server. Now we click on our server name. Now we copy this IP address by selecting it and click copy, or simply clicking on this button, copy address. Now in front of IP we will paste the IP address. It is for remember purpose only. We need the IP address, username and password afterwards, and the default username is root, and the password you can click here to copy the password. I am not copying the password here. Now install a software called Putty from putty.org. It will connect you through your VPS. Now click here to download Putty. You can select from these both 32-bit installer or a 64-bit installer as per your Windows version. Just click on this and the download will start in a moment. So here the download started. As I have already downloaded, I will not install it. I will simply open the putty from here. Now copy that IP address of your server, VPS server, and paste in this hostname box. And right here, anything you want to remember this server, that which server it was. Now click save. It will help you to open this next time. click yes. Now it is asking for the username. Login as the default password. The default username is root. It is in small letters. Now the password. Go to your server or your text file where you pasted the password here. Now click copy and right click or press shift plus enter. Remember it, in Ubuntu control plus C or control plus V is not working. To paste you have to press shift plus insert or simply right click on the Ubuntu window, and after pasting or clicking here you will not get any of the things written in front of the password, but when you press enter you will be logged in. Now here we start with installation of our masternode dependencies. So first step, we will create a swap file, copy and paste. Remember, paste is from shift plus insert or simply right click on the Ubuntu window. Do remember, copy and paste all these commands one by one, and after copying and pasting here, press enter every time after each line. Copy, paste, then enter. Okay, swap file has been created. Now we will install the dependencies. So this line has finished installing. Now we copy this third line. I will pause the video after the second line installing because it takes some time. So paste and enter. So this command got complete. Now we move to the next command. Copy and paste, enter. Now it will ask you to press enter to continue or control C to cancel adding it. Press enter. Do not skip this part or do not abort this part. Press enter immediately after this warning appears. Now run forth. Now dependency installation is over. Now we'll copy the ZACA coin core from git clone command. Download complete. Now this command is to compile the ZACA coin core and will need around 15 to 30 minutes to compile. Now we will run this code, copy, paste and enter, and I will pause this video because it will take much time and the video will be too long. So I will come back after the compilation is complete to get the next process. So now the setup is complete now. Now we will move to our next step. Copy this command and paste here, then press enter. Now you will get an error like this. It is recommended to use the following random password: rpc user equals to this and rpc password equals to this. You will get a random password at your VPS and this error like this. So what you have to do is copy from rpc user and rpc password like this. How to copy is simply select it from where to copy and from up to copy. Now select, if you're when you are selecting it and then leaving the mouse, it will copy automatically. You don't have to press any button to copy. Now we open our ZACA mn text file where we have pasted these. Now paste it here, we will use it later. Now move on to the next step in the guide. We will copy this command and paste here. Now it will leave a blank window. So what we have to do in blank window is you have to edit this. Now how to edit this? We need private keys, IPN port and RPC username and password. So for this we will minimize this one, and our next step is to open Windows Wallet. So now create a folder like ZACA mn1 on desktop or somewhere else you want. It is ZACA mn1. Now copy this ZACA qt file in this ZACA folder. Now create a new folder called data in this folder. Right click, new and data, and it will be in small letters. Now rename ZACA qt to ZACA mn1.exe. Now press Windows plus R button. It will open the run window and in it type cmd. So it will open the command prompt. Now copy and paste this command into this. Simply right click here, so it will paste. Now press enter. Now you can close it. So we have got a new file on the desktop like startmn1.cmd. So we will copy this file, paste in to the same folder where we have put it, the ZACA mn1.exe and the data folder. Now to start this, don't directly run this, double click on the start mn1.cmd. Now let the wallet synchronize. Till then we will open our other wallet in which we have 1000 coins that we will send to this wallet to set up a new masternode. You might get this kind of error like this: zero active connections to ZACA network, and it is not synchronizing actually. In case, what we do is close this wallet and add these nodes. I will provide these nodes in the PDF guide and also in the description. Here are the nodes. So copy these nodes into the data folder zaka.conf and paste it, close, save. Now open your wallet again from startmn1.cmd. Now as you see, there are two active connections to ZACA network that we have added the node, and see, it started synchronizing immediately. So the synchronization is complete now. Now we will send 1000 coins from our old wallet to the new wallet. So we will create a address like mn04 in my case. You can do it mn1 or mn01, and copy this address and copy here in the file we have made here, so we can use it later easily. So wallet is now, as we have copied it, now we will go to our wallet where we have the coins, go to send, paste the address, label it whatever you want. In my case it is mn04, put 1000 coins exactly, click on inputs, click the extra 1000 coins, or you don't have to do this, simply enter the 1000 coin and click send, don't do anything with inputs. So we have sent the coins, and in this we have arrived the coins. We'll close over this window. Now wait till this question mark turns to a round clock. Till then we make some columns for this, like private key, transaction hash, transaction index, around 1 minute you have to wait for this question mark symbol turns to a clock. Now it is turned as clock. Now go to help, debug window, click on console. Now here type masternode gen key. It will generate your private key. Copy it and paste it in this column where we have made. Now again go back to this debug window. Now type masternode outputs. Press enter. Here you will get the outputs of the transaction. So first copy this transaction hash and paste here transaction hash, and index is 0. This one index is 0, so we will type this index as 0. Now we will close this, and now we will configure our VPS. For this we have to configure the ZACA.conf file, which we have to paste. So now we are configuring this ZACA.conf file. So here is the private key part. So we will copy this private key from here and paste it from to here. Now here is the masternode address, IP and the port. So IP, you have to write your VPS IP which you have used to log in Putty. So here is the IP, and port you have to use is 48882, that is 48882, and RCP allow IP is the same without the port, and in this case port equals to 48882. Now we will copy this complete and right click here so it get paste. Now we have to press Ctrl plus O to save it, and then press enter to save complete. Now we will press Ctrl plus X to exit this window. Now our next step, copy this command and paste here and press enter. Now you will again get this blank window ZACA.conf. Simply copy this whole lines and paste here again, then press Ctrl plus O, enter, then Ctrl plus X to exit. Now the last step, now run the ZACA coin daemon server with this command. Click enter. It will show you ZACA server starting. That means the server has started. Now there is one more thing that you can check whether the ZACA daemon is running or not. So we will add one more command, apt-get install htop -y. So this command will be in the guide also. So just copy this and paste and enter. After the install complete, simply copy this h top and paste it here and press enter. Now here we can see is command ZACA daemon is running. There are many threads. ZACA daemon is running. So we have now verified the daemon is running successfully. So we will minimize this window and now open our wallet in which we have received the coins now to set up the masternode. Now click on masternodes, click on my masternodes, click on create. Then again we have to open this file, text file. Here the alias you can give anything, like I have given the mn04. Address is your IP address with the port. Here it is, IP address with the port. Copy and paste here. Private key is your private key which you have pasted here. Just copy and paste. Transaction hash is your masternode outputs that we get from debug console. Transaction index, that is output index. It can be also called as output index is 0, so write here 0. Reward address is the same address on which you have 1000 coins, so paste that. Reward percent is 100. Do not put a percentage symbol, simply write 100. Now click OK. After that click on update. It will show you not in the masternode list. Simply click on start all. It will show you a message, successfully started one masternode, failed to start 0, total 1. Click on OK. Then again click on update. Now you can see masternode is running. Okay, so masternode is running now, and we will check in the ZACA network whether our masternode is listed or not in the network. So here is our IP 207.148.73.248. So it will start with 207. 148.73.240. So here is our IP and 00 time, and watch our wallet address ZCWM ends with XBN. So node is listed on the masternode ZACA network. Now the second method to check the masternode is running or not, simply go to the website masternode.com/monitoring, click on monitoring. Okay. And after you sign in, simply add your wallet address or your VPS IP. So paste here your VPS IP, click search. It will take a few minutes before publishing your masternode or catching your masternode on the network. So wait for 1 or 2 minutes and keep on clicking search, so it can be in the masternode list. I will show you the exact way. And also how to know whether it is running or not, I will show you. And one more major problem is coming. Users are worried that the timer is not increasing here, the active seconds is not increasing here. So don't worry about this timer. It will update automatically by its own default, randomly in a random time. But you can check your IP here. When it will come here, and you can check the status. If it is online and running, then your masternode is perfectly running. So we will wait, so it can come on the network. I will pause the video. When then it will come on network, I will just come back. So here we got our masternode listed on masternodes online. Here is our IP. You can check it, cross check, like 207.148.73.240, 207.148.73.240, and here is our port. So now we will click on add to monitoring. So 207.14873, and here is our master node. It does not matter whether in this it is showing active status 0 minutes and 0 seconds. List your master node on this website and check that MN list is active, and also status should be online and wallet status should be enabled. If three of them are in green, like active, online and enabled, then your master node is completely online. So here we have our working master nodes right now. More I will cover in our next videos. Till then, thank you very much.